Guys, today is 19th of February 2024, and I'll be showing you a trade presently in GBP USD sales and euro dollar sell as well. Okay, so but before I get into the pound dollar sell, I will start from the euro dollar sell. So why did I get into this sell trade? I got into this sell trade because if you go on the 1 hour time frame or this 45 minutes time frame, let's just move to the 1 hour. If you go on this 1 hour time frame, you'll see that we have this supply level that price has been trading in since last week. This supply zone was responsible for the break of structure that we have right here. It took out this low, this particular supply zone from the 1 hour time frame, took out this impulsively, and markets retraced back, filled up the imbalance that is right here, and tapped into this supply level. And we have been trading from this supply level since last week. So coming into today, okay, last week on Friday, I was able to get a sell trade from right here to this level on Friday, and then coming to today Monday, I realized that we were still price pushed back up into this supply level, and we are still reacting from right inside the supply level. So now moving down to a lower time frame right now. On this lower time frame, you can see that this morning, this green box right here is the Asian session. So coming into London this morning, I was watching price, and price took out this Asian session high. This Asian session, market took out the liquidity above it, and just right after that, let me clear this so it can be more clear. So this blue box is the box I drew from the 1 hour time frame, and let me just cut price back. Yeah, so this morning I was looking at what price was doing inside this 1 hour zone, and I waited for price to take out the Asian range high. Let's just have it right there. Yeah, so price took out this Asian range high, and I started marking out my structure. So this is the last high inside this supply zone, Asian range high taken, and the low that I'm looking for price to break is actually this low, because this is the leg that broke above this high right here. Okay, this is the low that took out this high. But you can also see that when we were pushing up, market created another low, this low right here, then price pushed all the way up. So I then decided that okay, if price breaks this as well, I might start looking to take my sell trade. But to be candid, this should be the low that should be taken out first, so that you can have that confirmation, that strong confirmation that price is really going to sell. Okay, so once this was now taken out, so I was on my chart, and once this low right here was taken out, when we had this break of structure, I cited this supply level right here, and I was waiting for price to come back into this supply level. So I took my sell trade from right here, and my stop loss was at this high right here. Yeah, so it was about 9 pips in stop loss, which was quite good. And for my take profit, I moved back to the 45 minutes time frame. So this is the 45 minutes time frame. You can see that we have imbalance at this level, from this zone right here to this level right here. So for my take profit now, I'm aiming at this imbalance fill. I want price to come back to fill this up. So now moving back to the lower time frame again. So Moving back to the lower time frame, you can see this zone now. We have imbalance just right there, and we have the Asian range low right here that also waiting for price to take out. So now I'll be now let me just play price forward. You can see price came back into this zone. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame so that you can see clearly. So you can see at that level, price came back to fill this supply zone that we have right there. So I was in the trade at that particular price, and price just continued. And as you can see, we took out the second low, this actual low that I was referring to on the 15 minutes time frame the other time, that I was saying this should give the best confirmation, the best break of structural confirmation. So with that now, after price broke that structure, if you were unable to get into this first trade, you can then look to get into another position. I don't know why my system is lagging. So now if I remove that, you can see that after this first mitigation right here, this break of structure now, markets will come back up to fill this supply zone again. Okay, so this would have been the best the second best entry, and with the fact that price has now broken this low, you can then actually move your stop loss to this level because mitigation has occurred there. This should be the second mitigation, but if you still want, you can still have your stop loss at this level. Let me continue playing price. Price came back up and that zone was now tapped. Let me move to a higher time frame so that you can see. Yeah, you can see just right there, market has now come back to tap that 1 minute supply level. So this is the second best entry. And for take profit now, let's move back to the 5 minutes time frame. For take profit now, I'm still waiting. I'll still be waiting at this 45 minutes level that I have marked out, and market has been moving very well. Today market is kind of slow. Why? Market is slow because we have bank holiday in Canada and also in the United States. So just the um United Kingdom that is not having bank holiday today. So I think that's why price is kind of slow. So if we exit our replay bar, you see that now I'm still presently holding my trade, and I'm expecting price to push all the way down to this level. So I will come back later and update when I'm out of the trade. I'll also put up a screenshot of my MetaTrader 4 on the screen somewhere above, and this is the pound dollar. So for the pound dollar, I actually got into this pound dollar trade because of the euro dollar, because both of them usually moves alike. On the GBP USD, I could not see a zone at this level for me to take my to start my analysis. When I came on the chart during the London session, I could not see anything. You can see that this is just imbalance, but because EU was selling, I decided to look for possible sell opportunities as well. So if I should just replay back to this morning right there, you can see that we took out the Asian range high. I do not know what price tapped into, but I'm sure inside that leg of imbalance that we have on that higher time frame, there must be something right there. So market took out the Asian range high, and we now have the Asian range low left behind, liquidity below this. So now I waited for a break of structure. You can see we have that break of structure right there, and if I should go down to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that when market broke below this low right here, markets came back to fill this supply level that we have right here. So market retraced back up, fill this supply level, and I was in the trade at this particular point. I don't know why my laptop is hanging. So I got into the trade. Market executed a sell trade, and I was in the trade. So um and for my take profit, if you go to the 45 minutes time frame, on the 45 minutes time frame, let me check the 30 minutes. Yeah, so on the 30 minutes time frame now, I can cite this demand level right here. So at this level, I'll be looking to take my profits out of the market. I'm good for the day. Remember, we are day traders. We want to be in our trade and out of our trade each day. So let me just continue playing the chart. And as you can see, okay, that was fast. When we took out the Asian range low, when we took out this Asian range low right here, market came back up for another mitigation, because now we have another break of structure at this particular point. This is another break of structure. So market came back up to fill up. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. Maybe we'll be able to see a clearer zone. Yeah, so on the 1 minute time frame now, market came back up to mitigate this level of supply right here. You can see this small level right here. Market came back to mitigate this zone. So if you couldn't get an entry into this first zone, this particular entry is another second entry opportunity where you can get into your trade. And right now market is presently pushing down, and sorry about this, I don't know why my mouse is like this. So I'm expecting price to get to my take profit zone very soon. And as you can see right here, I marked this zone as a liquidity zone. You can see a little trend line zone just above this my take profit level right here. So market has now taken out that liquidity. I will soon be closing out of my trade, and this is almost a 3 hour trade with about 30 pips that I'm taking in profits. So let me see what the euro dollar is doing. Okay, the euro dollar is also pushing as well. So maybe that might be all for this video. I don't think there'll be need to come back later to update. I will just probably just put my MT4 screenshots for you to see my entries. So I believe this will still drop further into this zone right here. I believe price is still going to drop. And there you have it, guys. Simple supply zone. Let me just recap. I marked out a supply zone, waited for a liquidity grab above the Asian range high, waited for a break of structure. Market came back to tap into the confirmation entry, and there I got into my self trade, and I'll be looking now to take my profit at this imbalance that we have right here. So that's all, guys. That is how simple it is to approach the foreign exchange market using the supply and demand strategy, imbalances, break of structure, just all these, and you are good to go. That'll be all, guys, and see you in another video.